Okay, so I'm finna slay my wig. Um, it's just a closure wig or whatever. And I'm finna put some got to be the spiking glue gel, whatever it's called, just to lay the closure flat and to make it more secure. And I'm laying the baby hairs down with the glue too because this ain't all real. Okay, now I'm putting concealer on the closure part and my forehead just to blend it together. Make it look more natural. So nailed, them brows on fleek. Now I'm going in with the Morphe. I don't even remember what palette it is, but with that color. And I'm packing that in the crease. And then I'm gonna go in with this pink color in the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm gonna blend that out. Now I'm going in with this purple from the ColourPop palette. I love this palette. As you can see, a lot of the shades were missing. And I'm gonna pack that into the outer area of my eye just to deepen it up. Now I'm going in with LA Pro and this flat Morphe brush just to cut my crease before I put in the nude eyeshadow down, and that's gonna also be in the ColourPop palette. And then I'm gonna blend the outer corner with the first shade that I put down out of the Morphe palette. And that's the new color I was talking about from the ColourPop palette. I'm just gonna pack that on the lid where I cut my crease and just go back and forth blending the colors together. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me, the matte one in the color Latte. I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend that in. And I have milk with magnesia on my face because it's the summertime and I'm a Houston hottie and it's hot outside. So I need all the coverage I can get. And I need it to last half of the day. Okay, now I'm going in with the LA Pro Concealer in Cool Tan, highlighting. We need to look alive. And now I'm going in with the Black Radiance Contour Kit. I believe it's Black Radiance. I think it is. I'm just going in with that contouring shade, getting ready to chisel them cheekbones. Because if you ain't chiseled, then what are you? I'll wait. And I'm gonna blend that out with this brush that I should not be using. But we're gonna use it because this is like almost one of the only clean brushes I had right now. Don't judge me. Anyway. And then we're gonna go in with the beauty blender again. And we're just gonna blend all that highlight out. I was looking like Michael Jackson for a second. But it's okay. because I fixed it. It was real bright. I didn't expect it to be, and honestly, I feel like it was only the camera that was making it so bright. But it's okay, because it was still cute. And I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender to blend over everything, make it look seamless. Now we're gonna set the face with the black opal setting powder and air spun together. It's amazing. But we're gonna set those. We're gonna pat it in and then we're gonna set it. Because again, like I said, it's hot outside and it was raining. And I need my makeup to stay. I don't even know what I was talking about. Now we're gonna go in with this LA Pro contour palette. And we're gonna chisel away with that shade you saw. I think that's the medium to dark palette, I believe. And it's cheap and it's like one of my favorites. And then we're going in with the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. This is the older powder, but I haven't ran out and I've had it for like 2 or 3 years. So we're gonna continue to use it. Now we're gonna go into that ColourPop palette again for blush. That pink shade. It's a lot of pink going on, so we just stayed around the pink area. And excuse me for the sniffling. I have allergies. Don't do me. I'm just going in with that pink color under my lash line. Highlight. This is giving me very much Galaxy. Very much Space Center Houston. I have issues. And then we're gonna use the NYX setting spray for Fine 99. And I'm going to line my lips with this brown color that I always use because I'm boring when it comes to lip colors. And then I'm gonna go in with my NYX Butter Gloss. And I don't know what shade it is. And now we're at the end.